I'm going to try to do this as much of a one take as I can. If you've been following my YouTube community posts, or my Facebook group posts, or my Instagram, you will notice that I installed new tires on the HeyBike, which this is no longer a HeyBike. It has blacked out lettering, as you can see. I've completely covered all the logos. I found some vinyl that matches the paint perfect. I'll leave a link in the description for anybody that has this bike. It only comes in one color, so this is what it looks like. Since it's been a few days since I posted, I wanted to just give you an update and let you know what's going on with this bike, because I am planning on doing a lot of different things, and it may look different than what you see now the next time you see it. So just wanted to let you know what I got going on. So right now I've covered up all the logos with, there used to be HeyBike on the battery, the web address here, HeyBike up on the frame, HeyBike up on the front of the bike up there. So I've basically covered all of those up. The other thing that I'm going to do to this bike is replace these handlebars with BMX bars. And I actually have a bunch of stuff in this bag that I'm going to show you that I will be installing soon. So we got these pedals that are pretty neat looking. As you can tell, I'm going with a black and red theme. And these are just some alloy, CNC alloy machined metal pedals with spikes. And black and red, as you can see there. And those are going to be installed soon. Alright, we got a quill stem adapter, which basically you need this to adapt the forks to the new BMX handlebars. That's the only item I'm missing, so that's why it's not done yet. So here's the quill stem adapter. Here's the BMX stem, which will be going basically right about here. There wasn't very many options online, and I wanted one that was like this with the adapter up here on top. So that's that. But I did get different color screws, so it'll be a black and red theme as well, which those screws are right here. Machine red screws that should hopefully fit that stem. So they're pretty cool. They're like the shiny red color that I'm going for. Here are the sleeves. I forgot what you call these. I'll put it in the video, but they just they go on the quill stem adapter and go below the stem. So there's that. They're the shiny red color. And then finally, besides the handlebars that I don't have, that should be here tomorrow, here are the bike grips. They're also red, a little black and red. Might be kind of hard to see it. Alright, well, there's the color. I have to cut this open, but they're locking grips. So there's a locking portion, black and red. And then this is another bike. You guys voted on it. You wanted me to show you how to bleed your hydraulic brakes. I believe that won the votes, or is like second place. So this will be one of the items that I do in a future video. I'm going to bleed the brakes on my Nesta that are kind of messed up. So this will help us get those working right, and I'll show you how to do it. So that's the final thing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like the way it's turning out. Again, in my next video, it's going to be a little bit more detailed. I'll do a ride so you can hear the sound of these tires. I do have a microphone wind muff on my external recorder that will help us get better audio. So stay tuned for all of that. And I'll have that video done hopefully this weekend. And I'll hopefully have the BMX conversion done soon too. So look out for that. If you don't already follow my Facebook group, I'll leave a link in the comment section. Make sure you go check that out and join if you haven't already. And make sure you like this video if you're excited about the upcoming changes to this bike and all the other future projects that's coming along. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll talk to you guys down there, and I'll see you in the next video.